Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
And a good afternoon. Thankfully, we do not have to deal with anything like they did up in Erie here. We do have a chance for some snow showers though later on tonight. Right now though in Lancaster, you're looking outside, mostly clear sky. We're actually seeing a clearing patch come through right now, but that's not going to last long. So even though the sensor is showing cloud cover, we can clearly see that that is not the case, but it's not going to last very long. Feels like 26 even though the thermometer says 34 out there, and that's the case across the entire Susquehanna Valley. Gettysburg and Carlisle are the warm spots at 37, 35 in Harrisburg, 32. The freezing mark in Selinsgrove. There's that clearing patch I said that's rolling through, but notice it's already starting to cloud back up again in parts of Franklin and Mifflin County. That's all thanks to that cold front that's going to be swinging through tonight. And right now it's located up in Wisconsin, but it has to travel all this way. It will get here as we go through the night tonight into tomorrow. So afternoon, clouds and some sun, breezy and chilly, will be right around 40 degrees. This evening, will be around 38. Now tonight, rain and snow showers will be after midnight. It'll start around 3 a.m. turning windy. And you may say we're not going to be dropping much. No, because ahead of a cold front, usually temperatures don't drop very much, and that is what's going to be happening tonight. So tonight's temperatures will be in the upper 30s. As those rain and snow showers begin, we could see a couple squalls come through between 4 and 7 a.m. Very isolated, and we'll let you know as we go through the night tonight about that. But tomorrow, clouds and sun, strong wind gusts. That's the primary concern tomorrow. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour are possible for your Thursday. But if you're heading out for a tree lighting ceremony in East Pennsboro Township tonight, we will be, again, in the upper 30s. Winds, though, are going to make it feel like the upper 20s and low 30s, so it will be chilly. All right, here comes a couple snow showers for like Mifflin and Juniata County later on this evening. There'll be a few flurries, but here's 3 a.m. This is when that front begins to arrive. We start off with a little bit of mixed rain and snow showers, elevation dependent. If you're in the valleys, you're going to be seeing more of that rain-snow mix. Ridge tops will likely get a quick dusting, and then that all rolls through by 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow, and then our attention will turn to the wind. Here's a look at the predictor snowfall. Again, very light. It's going to be elevation dependent with that, but the big concern is going to be those winds, the entire area under that wind advisory, and this is why. You can see the wind forecast tonight into tomorrow are going to be in between 30 and 45 miles per hour. So that is why we are watching for that impact day tomorrow. It's because of the wind gusts out of the west, 45 to 50 miles per hour pre-dawn on Thursday through Thursday evening. Trees could come down, maybe even a few isolated power outages, so just something to be aware of. But your 10-day forecast shows that as we go through Friday and Saturday will remain in the 30s, but check out Sunday. We go back up to the upper 40s, another chance for some precipitation, all rain as we head into Monday and a couple parts of next week.